again and welcome back to another video of mine. And today's video today's video, I'm just gonna get straight to it. It's going to be a DIY graphic tees shirt without transfer paper. And this video is by no means an original video. My friend Maya actually tried this DIY out and she shared the video, and I just wanted to make my own version of it to share it with y'all on my platform. So yeah, anyways, let's just get on to the video. So starting off with materials, all that you'll be needing is a shirt, of course, or just anything that you like to print this on your actual print. And this is mine. It can be in color or black and white, and it can be laser printer or inkjet printer. I used inkjet printer, but I'm pretty sure from what I've watched, laser printer also works. And then you just need saran wrap, parchment paper, and an iron. Basically, you're going to grab your print and you're going to cut it out with a pair of scissors around, leaving no borders, or unless you want a border, you can keep the border in. And then you just go ahead and grab your saran wrap and wrap your entire picture with saran wrap, front and back, all the sides, and just fold it down really neatly. And then after that, you just want to lay down your shirt and iron it so that there's no creases where you're going to be putting your picture down. And then place your picture down wherever you'd like, and then grab your parchment paper and place it on top. And then you're going to set your iron to the highest heat setting that you can have it. You don't want any steam or water on, you just want that heat. And then you're just going to place your parchment paper over your picture and just start ironing away. So this process is probably the longest part of the DIY. It will take you probably like a good 10 minutes. It took me around 10 minutes to really make sure that the print stayed down and was like pressed and stuck onto the shirt. So you're just gonna keep on wanting to do that. It might take you longer or less time. You just want to check up on it, and then once you're done, you can just peel off the parchment paper and it should be attached on all edges. If it hasn't, just go over whatever edge it hasn't stuck to yet. And that is basically it. So this is the DIY. I know it's literally so simple, but I just wanted to share it with you guys because I know we're all in quarantine right now and you kind of want some distraction. So this is a great way to make some things that you can wear around the house. So I actually forgot to mention on how to wash this shirt. So basically, this is hand wash and hang to dry, and generally speaking, this is kind of just like a really nice top or idea or DIY to try out when you're just wanting to wear it for a special occasion or for like an event or a concert or something. It's not really necessarily like your go-to outfit or shirt because eventually the paper like will deteriorate, but this is just like a fun project to try out, especially if you are looking for like a nice special shirt just for a special occasion. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with family and friends, and stay safe and happy and healthy, and you know, binge watch my videos. This is the perfect opportunity. Okay, ciao.